Hello friends, welcome to my Science Tech channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about the topic that is a classification of microorganism. So basically classification of microorganism that we are going to study in different way. What are the different classification, how are being they classified, and what are the various definitions of the different classification of microorganism. So here are some pictures of microorganism, basically how they are looking in nature, in their appearance we can say. So that is the classification we are going to learn. So first of all, the classification, it is having the prokaryotic. Now first of all, prokaryotic cells are the cells that do not have a true nucleus or membrane bound organism within domains. Bacteria are involved in this, like Coccus, Bacillus, Spirillum. So prokaryotic are basically, we can say, the cells in which the nucleus is not well developed. We can say that is a prokaryotic cells. And that example it is having, we can say, bacteria, like we can say Coccus, Bacillus, Spirillum. Next one, here we can see the diagram of the bacteria, that is different types of bacteria, how they are living in nature and how they look, their appearance. Then eukaryotic cell. First it comes prokaryotic cell and then the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells means what we can say, the cells in which the nucleus is well developed, well founded nucleus. So eukaryotic cells are the cells that contain a nucleus and organelles and are enclosed by a plasma membrane. Organisms that have eukaryotic cell include protozoa, fungi, plants and animals. This contain protista, fungi, algae, etc. So let us see one by one eukaryotic cells are what. Eukaryotic cells, basically we can say that different types of bacteria, fungi, it has been coming. Now next one, it is a protozoa. Protozoa are what? Are single cell organism. They come in many different shapes, size, ranging from amoeba, which can change its shape, to paramecium with its fixed shape and complex structure. They live in wide variety of most habitats, including freshwater, marine environments and the soil. Then comes fungi. As I told, it is a eukaryotic classification. In this, the fungi it is coming. So fungi can be single celled or very complex, we can say multicellular organism. They are found in just about any habitat, but most live on the land, mainly in soil or plant material rather than in sea or fresh water. They are basically, we can say, heterotroph, means they are dependent for their food on other. A group called the decomposer grow in the soil or on the dead plant matter, where they play an important role in the cycling of carbon and other elements. Some are parasites of plant causing disease. Then here the diagram of the fungi, various fungi, how they are being grown. That is, they are saprophytes basically, and they are dependent on others for their food purpose. Then comes algae. Algae are huge in diverse, we can say, if we are going to see on this nature or in the land, algae is found in maximum number. So algae are a diverse group of aquatic organisms that have the ability to conduct photosynthesis. Why? Because always they are green in color, because of chlorophyll pigment that has been present in them. Certain algae are familiar to most people. For instance, we can say seaweeds such as kelp or phytoplankton, pond scum, or the algal blooms in lakes, we can say. Basically algae are found in lakes during where the water is in maximum number. So here the diagram, it is how it is appearance, it is looking the algae. Then come viruses. As we know, viruses, they are spreading by the through the air in a very fast way. Viruses are the smallest of all the microbes. They are said to be so small that 500 million rhinoviruses, which can cause the common cold fit on head of the pin. They are unique because they are only alive and able to multiply inside the cell of other living things. The cell multiply in is called the host. Very fast rapid growth of viruses takes place in other human body with the help of air. It can spread in a fast way. So diagram indicate this is the type of a virus. If you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe. So thank you all of you.